Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today, I'm gonna be popping this palette's cherry. I'm gonna fuck the shit out of this thing. Oh my god, I'm gonna fuck this thing up. Look. And then, I mean, you guys have already seen it. It looks like this. What we really want to know is, what does it look like this, right? Because, you know, I don't like to be fucking... There we go. Maybe I'll take a fucking screenshot of that right there while it's playing, and then I'll be able to like come up with some color stories that aren't this bitch telling me what to do. I hate it when bitches are trying to tell me what to do all the time. So anyways, if you guys are curious to see how I got this look, or interested in hearing my final thoughts on this palette, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. Okay, I'm gonna use my Made by Mitchell ME3, and I'm gonna go into the color CREASE, and I'm just gonna keep this kind of simple. Ooh, that's fucking pretty. You guys notice I'm using kind of a bigger brush today, so look at that. That's fucking beautiful. And now I'm going to go in with my Made by Mitchell ME1, and I'm going to go into the color Direction, which is still sort of dark. And I'm going to take that all the way into the inner corner and kind of 50% on and 50% on here. What's up? Man, that's fucking pretty, dude. With my Rephr 14, I'm gonna go into Capture. Yeah, I'm just kind of doing the spelled out look. Sorry guys, I hope that's not boring. With my Made by Mitchell ME2, I'm going to go into the color Your Turn. And I'm going to use that to just blend out these edges. I'm just going to kind of go back into CREASE. Man, that was so easy. I don't even understand it, actually. Crazy. And into Capture. And into Your Turn. my gosh. Fucking beautiful. Wow. It's crazy. That's just blending fucking stupendously. Oh my god, these colors are fucking beautiful. Wow. I'm like blown away by this. It's so fucking pretty. These colors are so rich and so well blended and just fucking fantastic. I'm just going in with no additional product and kind of just I'm going to use my P. Louise cut crease brush to cut the crease with my NYX glitter primer. And with my ZOEVA 234, I'm going to go into the color Rival. And back in with this darkest color to just kind of and then going in with my MORPHE JH430, the Big Daddy. You guys know how I like this Big Daddy. And then with my MORPHE pencil brush from the I Slay collection, I'm going to use the color Elevate to highlight my inner corner. Yeah. I'm going to kind of give my brush a little spritzy poo. I don't think I'm going to highlight the brow bone. I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is. I am going to go back into the color C's and just make sure that everything is really dark right here. Oh my god, I love this. Love! Okay, I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. So, this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I used my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Electra, I'm fairly sure, and I actually really like them this time. Cute. And then I used my Kaleidos lip cloud paint in the color Cactus Flower, and honestly I just used it because when else am I going to get this amazing of an opportunity to wear this color? Like, I've really been loving these lip cloud paints. And then I used my Mars Melter, the New School Mars Melter highlighter, and my Arthurine blush palette in Persimmon. yeah, this palette is beautiful. And honestly, like, I knew it was going to be, it's no real shocker. I already did my ranking video, but I think I'm going to redo it so I can throw this in there because honestly, I knew it was going to rank. Anyway, this look is fucking beautiful and I do feel like a queen, especially with my little finger waves I got going. I don't know why I'm liking these today or yesterday or whatever fucking day, but yeah, honestly, I kind of wanted this look to look a little bit more matchy to my shirt, but whatever, fuck it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. I did get my video up about dick pics on my Patreon. If you guys want to see it, go check it out. And if you guys want to hear me talk a little less, then go check me out on Instagram because I don't really talk that fucking much on there. And thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.